Hi, today I'm going to show you how to hack militia. First, you must have game hacker and your device must rooted. You can root your device with King Root. Let's start it. First, enter game hacker. Close it, and second step, enter militia. But for the furthest way, I'm going to play offline, not online, but you can do it online. Enter. I'm going to show you how to get unlimited life, unlimited ammo, and unlimited jetpack. First, let's start multiplayer, deathmatch, LAN Wi-Fi, horse, any base. Let's start, continue. First, open Game Hacker. This is a code of your life. You press this and recharge. There is 100. You can't modify. You press continue. This here and filter, and you minimize and you make a bomb, and you must decrease your life just like this. Look my life, and then go it and press decrease. Yes, you see one, you press tick, it must be like that. The two one must be green, and you press this the same code. Look, and 1 2 3, let's go. Yo, you can go now, and let me show you how the hack works. Do you see? Yoo-hoo! Hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey! It's fun, yeah? Now, any weapon you like, take it. No, yes, like this. And how many ammo, and go reset, and 0 5 0 recharge. This like that, like that. 43, restart it. 43, yeah, like that, like that. 35, no, it's not. Sorry. You must go to this, the main and setting, and you press auto. It will be here, but you must press auto. Close. Now it's 35. You put here like that, and bow. Let's go. 26. 999. Yay! Whoa! Hey! With any weapon, you can use this. Now, another weapon. This 45, okay. Set 0.45, Richard. This 24, we start 24, this 21. Let's go, yay! Wait, now you press 999. Let's go. You see? Up. It go like this. Now for the jetpack. Let's go. We must close it like that. Okay. Now this code again. Like this. Continue. Same. Degrees. Just see that. 1, 2, 3, go! But I can't go. Why? Well, I have made a mistake. This is not that. Is that? Okay, now you can go anywhere. Free ammo, life. Now let's test for life. Life. Yoo-hoo! Enter that back and let's go now. Enjoy. Okay, bye bye. Bisous.